Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Substack name. First, log in to your Substack account. Once inside, on the lower left corner, click on your profile. Then in here, click on View Profile. Now, to edit your name, you need to edit your profile, so click on it. Then in here, under the name field, you will now be able to type in the name that you want. So just go ahead and type in a new name that you want your audience to see for your Substack. Once done, just go and click on the Save button at the bottom of it. And there you have it. You now have a new Substack name. You can also go and edit your handle if you'd like to. And that's just basically it. Now, you have your new name in your Substack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.